The Poetic Lumos case for the OnePlus 60 is in the building. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get notified of new videos. Hey YouTube, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video we're going to have a look at the Poetic Lumos case for the OnePlus 60. Shout out to Poetic for sending this case out for free for the purpose of this review. That being said, the review will still be unbiased and not be affected by any way in the fact that I got this case for free. Let's go ahead and keep the phone on the side for a moment, have a look at the packaging. So pretty simple packaging from Poetic over here, Poetic branding in the front, and you have made in China in the back and some details about the case on the back as well. Now Poetic, if you're watching this video, I'm not sure why the packaging is not recyclable. A little piece of advice, please make sure that the packaging is recyclable. Let's go ahead and take the case out of the Ziploc pouch. The Poetic Lumos case is inside another plastic bag. Let's go ahead, take out the plastic bag, and there you have it, the Poetic Lumos case, a transparent TPU case so that you can show off the color of your OnePlus 60. If you have a look at this case from the inside, on all four corners you have these grooves which eventually turn into air pockets when your phone is inserted inside this case. So if your phone drops on the edge like so, these air pockets act as shock absorbers. Let's go ahead and snap the case onto the phone. Easy peasy. Let's start at the bottom. So you have your cutout for your speaker grill and you have your cutout for your USB Type-C and the mic. They line up pretty good. On this side you have your power button. Let's go ahead and check it out. Very clicky, no issues over here. You also have the cutout for your alert slider. Lines up pretty good. Let's go ahead and give this guy a try. Easy peasy, no issues over here. The accessibility is absolutely fine. I don't find any issues. Let's have a look at the top. So you have your cutout for your noise cancelling mic. Now it's not perfectly centered, but it's not obstructed as well. Let's have a look at the other side. You have your volume rockers covered up. Let's go ahead and give these a try. Very clicky, no issues at all. The responsiveness of the buttons is still the same. Other than that, you have your Poetic branding on this side as well, but it is on the inside, so you cannot feel the impression from the outside. Moving over to the front, let's have a look at the lip action. So you have a pretty decent amount of lip action over here, and do note I have the factory screen protector installed and you can still see the amount of lip action we have. So if you have to place your phone upside down on a table like this, you don't have to worry about the screen getting any scratches or anything. And you also have the cutout for your speaker grill, so this case will not interfere with the sound quality of your calls or the sound coming out of the earpiece. Moving over to the back, let's have a look at the lip action for the camera lens and the LED flash. So there, decent amount of lip action for the camera lens and the LED flash as well. If you have to place your phone on a table like this, again, no worries about scratching the camera lens or the LED flash. Let us now go ahead and check the cutout for the charging port. Let's go ahead and insert the original OnePlus Type-C cable, and there it is, charging rapidly, so no issues over here. Let us now go ahead and test the camera. So let me go ahead and take a picture of my Christmas decorations over here. Let me go ahead and turn the light off. And now let me go ahead and force the flash so that we can check. And bam, took a picture with the flash on. Let me now go ahead and turn the lights back on. This here is the picture we took with the flash on. No issues at all. And this is the other picture which we took. So the cutout for the camera lens and the LED flash is in no way obstructing or interfering with the flash or the camera. So what's the bottom line with this case? Well, this case sells for $8 on Amazon, and for $8 I'm not complaining because you get a decent amount of flip action on the front and on the back. The cutouts line up pretty good, the buttons are clicky, and you get to show off the color of your OnePlus 60. So I'll go ahead, leave a link to the case in the description of the video in case you want to buy it, and That's it for this video, YouTube. I hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.